say she don't love me. I know that's the game. She don't love herself either. Oh, what a shame. Let's all hurt. Let's kick dirt. Whoa. Came up out the window. Yeah, I just jumped off the plane. Climbing up this mountain. I swear I feel no pain. So I made it to the top. I seen Kurt Cobain. She left me for dead. All I see is dread. So I'm a lost soul, I don't give a fuck. She throwing blows, I dip and I duck. She got the flow, revel the rush. I don't really care, I don't give a fuck. Heart full of death, I clash with my luck. Now I'm empty, black heart stuck. To the next chapter, to the next page. And all I can say, my heart hurts, my heart hurts. My pain's worse, my pain's worse. My heart hurts, my heart hurts. My pain's worse, my pain's worse. Yeah. So I'll just see her tomorrow. Yeah, I'll just see her tomorrow. Go ahead, drown in my sorrows. Yeah, I'll just drown in my sorrows. You got a heart can borrow. You got a heart can borrow. My heart hurts, my pain's worse. So I'll just see her tomorrow.
I just wanna know why every time I come around, motherfuckers think it's funny looking at me up and down. I don't really know you, you don't really know the crew. Stop acting like it's funny, not shit you gonna do. Look at you, crew not home. Motherfuckers don't know that a kid had bars, check ID, flow, police him down. You always acting funny till police come around. You got a new car, but you leasing it now. I got a big dog on a leash, I'm releasing him now. You don't police at a pound, I'm a beast and a hound. Look who loud, we ain't keeping it down, but we slowing it down. She got crew love cause she holding us down, holding us down. Got young ins pouring out, they hosters now. Not shopping and hold us now. What? All ball main, all this is either Gucci and Prada. Spending a lot on weed and anything I need. I'm trying to smoke but not a fiend. I'm not a jacket to the lean, so fuck all that promethazine. Don't make me start another scene. I grab your mother, make it scream and stab your brother. Leave the scene, won't even see the car fleeing. Woo! Cop the old white whip, it stay clean, no. Always on the scene, winning like Charlie Sheen. No, they tryna take my green, but they can't, they not see. Low can't see through me, but I see through them. Ten so dark, can't peek through the bends. We'll leap through your fence, and I'm rolling with a motherfucking click that's tight. Oh bah mon fils. Debate that I may be the best. I'm a hustler, haters up like one of babies to rap. I hustle around these fakes so they baby they stress. My weed so strong that it maybe just flex. Lately I got my haters depressed and I leave them impressed, but they loving it though. Only thing I don't do is show love to a hoe. No love for the foes, no love to the fist. Shot a group chat, man, I fuck with my friends. Keep my circle small, no bugs in my band. Man, I'm fucked in the head when I'm rapping this shit. I'm cracking a broad, I'm slapping a bitch. I'm a masculine kid, an immaculate whiz. I'm immature a little bit, but I don't really give a shit. I give a lot, I take a bit. I roll it up, I take a hit. I'm giving out these odds like damn. What? Giving out these odds like damn. Yeah, your boy high tell out the dance. Yeah, your hate flow just like fans. Y'all don't get it though. I keep my circle small, something tighter than a stereo. Get it through your head. I don't give a fuck, you dead, son. Don't step to me or swear to God that you gon' be my next son. Stop coming at my neck, son. I swear that you're my stepson. Never put me in a list with anyone that's step one. Don't step to me, that's step two. Step three when you coming at me. Don't forget your whole crew. We got banana clips, that's whole food. Extend no mags, no Playboy.